Welcome to Active Points Wellness. My name is Warren Schick, and today we're going to be talking in our video blog about 3 simple exercises you can do for hip mobility and hip activity. And so one of the reasons we're going to broach the subject of this today is there are a lot of different postural compensations that we encounter due to sitting. And we do a number of activities from our work, driving cars, riding bikes, reading, knitting, all of those types of activities really put our hips in a very fixed position for long periods of time. And as I've talked about in previous videos about the kind of that neuromuscular control, where we have these proprioceptors, these receptors in different types of tissue in the body that provide a good clear picture of how our body moves in space. So our joint position, our speed of movement, all of these different types of information are flooding our nervous system constantly to provide us with a good picture of how we move so we can move in a safe, effective way. And with long periods of time, basically there's kind of a reset of muscle length as it relates to our body posture. So the more time we spend in a particular posture, the more our body adapts to that positioning. And so our hip extensors, our glute maximus and our glute medius and some of these other hip muscles are largely affected by sitting for long periods of time. And so what we want to do is we're going to spend some time today talking about kind of a layered level of exercises that you can use to enhance your body's ability to recruit these muscles. The hip being a ball and socket joint, it's a very important joint. It produces a lot of forces, translates the body weight through the hips and pelvis and into the lower body, and then it also generates our running, hiking, biking, all of those other really powerful movements. So stay tuned. We'll have a few different videos on leveling our hip extension control. Enjoy.